Welcome to Wanagiri Cosmic Nature Villa, where unforgettable experiences begin. Discover more and book your stay through the QR code in the description. Nestled within a verdant garden oasis, Wanagiri Cosmic Nature Villa promises an escape unlike any other, seamlessly blending nature's splendor with unparalleled luxury. Imagine awakening each morning to the gentle caress of a tropical breeze, the sun's golden embrace warming your private sanctuary. The villa itself is a testament to refined elegance. Architecturally stunning, it features flowing indoor-outdoor spaces thoughtfully curated to enhance your connection with the surrounding beauty. Imagine yourself floating in the infinity pool, its crystal waters mirroring the vibrant hues of the verdant gardens, a true sanctuary of tranquility. For the discerning traveler, we offer exclusive amenities designed to elevate your stay. A fully equipped fitness center awaits those seeking to maintain their wellness regime, while our serene spa presents an array of treatments designed to rejuvenate both body and spirit. Beyond the villa's walls, adventure beckons. Embark on a guided trekking tour and explore the area's lush nature trails, cycle through picturesque countryside, or simply revel in the serenity of our meticulously maintained grounds. Wanagiri Cosmic Nature Villa is more than just a hotel. It's a destination, an experience, a memory waiting to be created. Revel in complimentary breakfast, enjoy convenient parking, and experience seamless arrival with express check-in. To begin crafting your own extraordinary journey, scan the QR code now and secure your reservation at Wanagiri Cosmic Nature Villa.